In the name of Allah Almighty, the most merciful, the most compassionate. First of all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Ghulam Rasul Shirzai, and today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, which is how artificial intelligence is changing our lives. This topic is being presented for BTU for 0 to 2 English proficiency and is prepared for Alia Farhana Binti Anwar. The contents that I'm going to describe in this speech are background of study. Second, I'll be talking about objectives of the speech. Third, what is artificial intelligence? Fourth, positive impact of AI or artificial intelligence. Fifth, challenges of AI. Next, future of AI. And lastly, I'll be concluding the topic. So first thing first that I'm going to talk about is the background of study. As we know that AI is a growing technology which took over all the sector of our life. Either it comes to the education part, it comes to the military part, it comes to the media or whatever. So this is why AI is connected with human being, and we need to know more about AI. This is why we are here to let you know what AI actually is. Second thing that I'm going to talk about, the objectives of the speech. I have come up with 4 objectives of this topic. First thing, I will be explaining what artificial intelligence is. Second thing is to describe how AI benefit our lives. Third thing, I'll be highlighting on challenges and risks of AI. And last thing, to discuss possible future developments. So first thing first, we are going to talk about what is artificial intelligence. You may hear about AI, A in I, which literally stands for artificial intelligence, which is a computer performing human-like tasks in simple terms. Anything that you see that is doing human thing in simple term, we can call them AI in a simple way. Like for example, they are, ChatGPT, Siri, self-driving cars, and so on. You may see like learning, they learn from the data and making smart decisions. This is what AI is all about. And here we are with the rise of AI, as we know that AI is like a machine that we give the instructions and then they do the actions that we really need. So in today's world, AI has come up with a lot of innovations and initiatives and is already being a part of our life. And it is changing the way we live. Actually, if we see the living style we had before, it was quite simple and we didn't have so many access to these things. But nowadays, because of AI, so many of the things become so easy. So AI means machine that can learn and make decisions like human. The next thing that I need to talk about is how AI improves our lives. Here, I'm talking about 3 main points, which are first, smarter learning, second, faster healthcare, and the third thing I'm going to talk about is global connections. First thing first is smarter learning. AI paved the way for us to learn the smart way, and it gives us a lot of resources that through we can study without having a lecture or having a physical class. Like, for example, we have Coursera, we have Alison, we have Duolingo. Through ChatGPT, we also can learn so many things. So these are the smarter learning parts that AI paves the way for us. Second thing that I'm going to talk about is faster healthcare. AI paves the way for a faster healthcare. As we know today, we have so many of the examples like IBM Watson Health, AI X-ray analysis, robotic surgery system, which is a very fantastic one. Third thing that is global connection, that AI come up with connectivity and it connect the people all over the world. For example, we have Facebook, we have Google, we have YouTube that connects the people all over the world. Or for example, in terms of IT and data science, we have cloud, which saves our data in the cloud. And for example, the other example we can give as AI-driven cars and chatbots and so on. Very nice sentence I'm going to have here, which is AI personalizes lessons, helps doctor diagnose diseases and connect people across language, saving time and improving accuracy. The next part that I'm going to elaborate a bit more is the challenges we face because of AI. And here I'm also going to talk about three important parts, which is job losses, privacy risks, and third thing is over-dependency. Over-dependence. The first thing first is job loss. Today, in today's world, people believe that AI has taken over their jobs. And somehow it's true, because if we see most of the web developers or web programmers have lost their job because of AI, because AI made it very easy to code and debug the codes. So many of the programmers have lost their jobs. So the second thing that I'm going to elaborate is privacy risks, that AI collect large amount of data and later on it can lead the privacy violation. The third thing that I'm going to describe is over dependency. So many people rely too much on the AI and they stop being creative, they stop innovations, and they ask AI whatever they really need to understand. In this part, I'm going to talk about the future of AI, that what AI is going to do. So as we know today, in today's world, we have smart cities, driverless transport, virtual classes, and so many other things. These are because of AI, and this is gonna be more and more. As a kind of slogan we have, like human plus AI become a smarter world, which is a very nice one, right? So AI will shape smart cities, transportations, and education, but we must guide them ethically and make sure technology serve humanity. So as a conclusion, we have come to say artificial intelligence is transforming our world. It brings opportunity and challenges, and its future depends on how wisely we use it. So here are the references that I have used for making my slides and collecting the informations. In here, we have come to the end of the presentation. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you like the presentation and you have catch up some of the new things from this presentation. And see you soon. May Allah bless you. Thank you so much. Take care.